Hi friends, welcome to our channel VidhyutYash. Look down. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe to our channel.
Hi friends, I'm gonna draw India flag. India flag. Let's see the necessary materials. Scale, chart paper, crayons, sketch pens, and pencil. And let's start.
Drawing using pencil. Draw the flag pole. Draw 4 lines for the flag. Draw the circle for the chakra.
The chakra has 24 lines.
Now draw the rope. Draw the clouds.
Now let's color it.
Green for the ground. The color dark. Brown color for the pole. Let's color the flag. Let's color blue for the chakra. Now color the clouds. Let's finish the background yellow and orange. Green color for the grass. Now let's draw the border using same color sketch pens. Now I'm writing something. Can you guess it? Vande Mataram and Jai Hind. Now use the marker for the borders. It's my drawing and painting. Vidhyut.